Hey guys, SniperShot14 here, and today we're going to be playing some Rebuild on my phone. I got Airshow, finally, as you can see at the top, so right there. I got it because I tried it before, it didn't work, which sucked. But I just said, maybe it'll work today, and it worked today. I had to watch YouTube because it said that, yes, or you can't get into this app. So I had to watch this YouTube video, and it said that there was a way to just turn that off. And how I started is I went into here, and I clicked on that, and then it'll pop up Airshow, and my name's Oakley, so it said Oakley's phone. Then you click on that. When it has a check mark on it, you'll hit monitoring, and then it will have a blue thing at the top. Then it'll turn red when it starts recording. So let's play some Rebuild. Let's go. Oh shiz. So, okay, let's start. My name, minigun? No, okay, no minigun. Guess there's no minigun. Well, pistol. What do you need binoculars for? A dog, a wrench, a cowboy hat, pistol. It is spring, winter, we'll keep it spring, because then it'll be summer. The only... Oh, that just randomizes it? Are you kidding me? I want to find a cool guy. Can I customize him after? Hope I can. His name's gonna be Bob. Come on, race Bob. There, done. Continue. I finally made it to Sniper City. Nice. Typical. Big. I'm just gonna go huge. I'm gonna put challenging. Today we begin to rebuild. Let's go. Okay, so welcome to Sniper City, or what's left of it. The 6 of us secured 4 buildings against the zombies outside, but we're running out of food and there's no telling how long the defenses will hold. Got it. What kind of fences are those? Those are like metal plates and with like freaking string on the top. I'm just kidding, that's barbed wire. Really? McDonald's? McNoodles? Oh, that's funny. Imagine if there's a McDonald's, that would have been hilarious. So, I'm guessing that it has these... Here, just need to turn down that volume, that's really loud. Freaking battery, go away. So, scavenge for supplies. Check this out. Okay, so, pretty sure... Okay, 6. A builder. You ugly. You also ugly. You ugly. What the heck? Oh my god! Look at your smile, just like, yeah, it's a zombie apocalypse. Are you happy? And there's Bob. Yeah, that's my freaking handgun. Frick yeah, son. So, I'm guessing I'm probably supposed to kill the zombies. So I'm gonna get these guys. I wanna have 0%, like, running up there. So I guess it takes 2 days. So I'm gonna hit end day. Yeah, nothing happened today. Okay, we got some stuff going. So we're losing food every day, I'm guessing, because it's -3 because we only have 1 farm. But I'm guessing that we can probably get like more stuff. So 6 food, 9 food, 13 food. So, let's start it. Okay, 1 day. Really? Son? Oh, what the heck? Oh, look at that face, dough. You set up traps? Oh, I thought that was said ding. I'm like, that's just gonna attract zombies, retard. Man's best friend. Each survivor has one piece of equipment that improves their skills. When you find something while scavenging, click on the picture to choose who gets it. Bob, get everything. Okay? Bob, get everything. I found a puppy! Yes. Wait, what? Okay, you're awesome. Boots the dog. Oh my god, he's little! I don't know what kind of dog that is, because I don't have dogs, I have cats, but that's a cute dog. He's just like, bruh, I'm gonna go kill some zombies, yo. Kill some zombies. Wait, if I unequipped? Oh, he's 1.5. The dog, like, kills stuff and makes him scavenging because he has that sniffer. Okay. Okay, I think, yeah, claim area. So we're gonna put one builder. We only have one builder right now. 4 days? Really, son? Oh, there's a survivor. Okay, we need, just put, like, everything. Just put everyone. There. Good. Okay. Oh, brah. We got another survivor. Okay, we're gonna end the day. We're gonna illness stress. Nasty stomach problem. Really? Stomach problem. Just kick her out. She's probably getting infected. Retard. Probably getting infected. We don't want any zombies in our base. No, we don't. No. Oh, yay. Okay, we have another place. Okay, apartments. Okay, now we can fit 12 people. Okay. I'm pretty sure, like, guard duty. What the frick? Oh. Build a school, build a hospital, build a torch, build a laboratory. Okay. 10 crops. What the frick? 99 days? Yeah, really? Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? 99 days, that tiny little freaking farm that's the size of my fingernail. Okay, let's keep going. Let's just calm down. Okay, 45% okay, at least people aren't like, hey, what's up, zombie? Want a hug? I'm glad that, but the people, oh my god, they're happy still. Like, I'm glad they're happy. I'm glad they're enjoying. Like, you want to have some sort of fun. Maybe blasting off some zombies' heads. That's probably fun. Really, you can get a graveyard. I like how the graveyard is just like in the middle of the city. Hazardous. So apparently, like, I'm pretty sure I played this before. So there's like hordes can come, and then there's like 1,000 zombies. Like hazardous, small, not scouted. Frick yeah. Okay, we're gonna try hospital. Okay, we're gonna kill some zomboids. 2 days. Kill zombies. Frick. Okay, she's the builder. Let's get some stuff done. Oh, did she die? We sent the last zombies in the hospital back to the afterlife. Back to the afterlife. Okay, we sent them back to the afterlife. Okay, I like how it takes 4 days to build a force field. Like, it takes 99 freaking days. Wait. So apparently, like, every time this happens, more zombies come. I ended the day! What's 50? Oh, wait, that's a dumb idea. So ladies. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up now. Build farm. Yeah, we need a farm, son. We need a farm. 5 days. Oh, I'm turning this into a farm. I'm stupid. Okay, reclaim. I'm gonna put these guys on. Just start. Okay. Really? Another one? Another one. Okay, done. Okay, and they. Nah. Really? Another one? Another one. Really? Another one? Okay, guys, we're just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna just do days. I'm just gonna end days here. Just gonna end them. Build a farm. -2 housing. It's fine because there's only 6 people. Hospital. Build an apartment. No, we want a hospital, right? Because now it's +1 food every day. And what the heck? Details. Cancel. Guard details. Cancel. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Well, I have to end it. Just be stupid. Save which choosing autosave. There's autosave? Save. Harsh language. Tutorial, disable winter. What? Smaller buildings? Okay. So I'm guessing I saved it. So if I hit start. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.